Did you know that you can renew your online adult passport with just a few simple steps? All you need is your expired passport, a digital photograph, a valid email, and your birth certificate. You'll also need a debit or credit card for payment and access to a working device. Once you have completed all the requirements, you can log into our website at www.peacock.gov.jm. Then select the Online Passport Application Portal tab. From there, choose either Start New or Resume Application and fill out the necessary details. Once done, you can track the status of your application form. See, I told you it was easy. Please note, if the applicant was a minor in their previous passport, they would need to apply in person. Similarly, if the applicant has changed their name due to marriage, deed poll, or divorce, they must apply in person. Save time and apply online.